Imagine a world where coding as we know it is extinct. Let's take a moment to explore this thought-provoking statement made by Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang. Huang boldly predicts a future where artificial intelligence, or AI, has replaced the need for coding. His vision is of a world where the intricate lines of code that currently power our digital lives are replaced by AI systems that can do the work for us. The implications? According to Huang, kids won't need to learn to code. Now, this isn't just a wild prediction from a tech CEO. Nvidia, under Huang's leadership, has been making significant strides in the field of AI. From exceeding earnings expectations to focusing on data center and AI-as-a-service products, Nvidia is making waves and showing us glimpses of the AI-infused future Huang envisions. But of course, such a grand vision is bound to cause a stir. This bold prediction by Jensen Huang has sparked a heated debate in the tech world. And that's where we find ourselves today, in the midst of a conversation about the future of coding and the role AI might play in it. The rise of AI could potentially reshape our understanding of coding. As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly clear that AI could play a transformative role in the realm of coding. Imagine a world where AI automates mundane tasks, freeing up time for developers to focus on more complex problems. Or even more revolutionary, envision a scenario where AI creates intricate algorithms, eliminating the need for human intervention in coding entirely. Now, this isn't merely a prediction from a sci-fi novel. Companies like Nvidia are actively working towards making this a reality. Nvidia, a company known for its prowess in graphic processing units, has been making remarkable strides in the field of AI. The company's focus on data center and AI-as-a-service products has led to significant growth, with a 14% stock increase following their Q4 earnings report. Nvidia's strategy revolves around the integration of AI in its operations and services. The company has formed partnerships with tech giants like Microsoft, Oracle, and Google, leveraging artificial intelligence to push the boundaries of what's possible in the tech industry. The success of this strategy is evident in the figures. Nvidia reported an adjusted EPS of 88 cents and a revenue of $6.05 billion, exceeding expectations. But it's not just about the numbers. The real story lies in the transformative potential of AI. The advancements in AI-powered solutions, such as drug discovery and aging research, are just the tip of the iceberg. The true potential of AI lies in its ability to fundamentally reshape industries, and coding might be one of them. But as we stand on the precipice of this new era, one question looms large. Will AI truly eliminate the need for human coders? This is a question that will continue to spark debates and fuel research in the years to come. The answer could redefine our understanding of coding and the role of the human coder in the age of AI. The implications of AI taking over coding are far-reaching and not fully understood yet. Imagine an education system where coding is no longer a fundamental skill. Instead, students might study artificial intelligence principles, learning how to guide and manage these systems, rather than how to write the code themselves. This shift could drastically change the landscape of tech education, potentially making it more accessible to a broader range of learners. However, this transformation isn't without its potential pitfalls. In a job market where AI handles coding, programmers could face displacement. This could lead to a significant shift in the tech industry, with a potential surge in demand for AI specialists and a decrease in traditional coding roles. It's crucial to consider these potential job market shifts and ensure that adequate training and transition programs are in place to aid those affected. On the flip side, the rise of AI could also open up new opportunities. With AI handling the coding, tech professionals could focus on strategic, creative, and managerial roles, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Moreover, AI's involvement in coding could lead to faster, more efficient development processes. Companies like Nvidia are already proving this with their focus on AI-as-a-service products, and others are likely to follow suit. But there are also risks associated with such a significant reliance on AI. We must consider the ethical implications, the potential for errors, and the need for human oversight. As Jensen Huang's prediction suggests, the future of coding could be radically different from what we know today. Only time will tell if AI will truly replace coding or if it will simply transform the field in ways we can't yet imagine.